BLACK+DECKER BPT05WTBA Portable Air Conditioner, 5000 BTU SACC, CEC, 8500 BTU ASHRAE, White. Follow Me function. The easy-to-use remote control includes a Follow Me function, which allows the remote to act as a thermostat, allowing for more precise temperature control. Top-mounted LED display with 0.4-hour timer. Quiet and powerful. Our 5000 BTU SACC, CEC, 8500 BTU ASHRAE compact air conditioner, 16.5 by 12.2 by 27.6 in, will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 64 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. Perfect for small rooms, this floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square, featuring it's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Simple and quick to install, just wheel this portable air conditioner into any room with a double hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose, 4 feet 11 inches, and window adapter, and plug it into an outlet. At the end of the season, just unhook and store. 3-in-1 functionality combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Bucket-less, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean and dry. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.